Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. In my case, browser. When your new apps are ready, you can close Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and click on Apps section over here. Then click on Choose Default Apps at the top and pick one of those categories that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Now just click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!